Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone apps stuck on waiting. So guys, if you're trying to download apps on your Apple device but you are facing this issue and the apps are stuck on waiting, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and make sure that you are using the updated version, and if there is any update available for you, simply update it. And then go to iPhone storage and make sure that your iPhone storage is not full, and from here delete some useless apps from your device as well. So I do this, and after this go back and now go to date and time and set your date and time. From here again go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly, and then go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Again go back and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this, and after this give a force restart to your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.